This is the pawpaw leaf. This is a very good plant. You can see it. You make use of both the stem from here to here and the leaf at the same time. How do you use it? Make sure you properly wash this particular leaf. But before I tell you how you are going to make use of it, let me tell you the nutritional component and the medicinal properties of this particular Carica papaya leaf. We call it papaya leaf. This is the botanical name of pawpaw. Now, pawpaw leaf contains vitamin C, contains vitamin E, contains folate and vitamin K. It is a very good plant that is viable and very important in poultry nutrition. If you want to go into organic poultry farming, pawpaw leaf can never be left behind because of its minerals and vitamins. It has calcium, it has phosphorus, it has iron, it has magnesium, it has potassium, it has zinc also. All these nutrients and minerals are very essential for the total well-being of poultry and livestock animals. The properties helps in antioxidation of food nutrients in the body of poultry and livestock animals. It has properties like papain. Papain is an enzyme that has very good property that helps in digestion in protein in the lives of animals. It has capain also, which is an alkaline element that has been proven to be of very good effect in cardiovascular properties in the poultry and livestock animals. If you are a poultry farmer, make sure you have a very good pawpaw plant behind your poultry pen. At least have about 2 or 3 stands. This will serve you because both the pawpaw seed, the pawpaw leaf, the pawpaw stem, and if everything about pawpaw in short. Unripe pawpaw is also very good. I'm going to create a different content for unripe pawpaw. This particular content is only on the pawpaw leaf. Leaf is very good for reproduction in livestock and poultry birds. Most especially if you are into breeding. It's very good to serve pawpaw leaf to your breeders because it has a very good immune properties that fortify your poultry and livestock birds. Because of the duration of these breeders, they stay too long in the poultry pen. It's not like broiler or noiler that stays 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month. Breeder stays over 2 years in producing other animals. Pawpaw leaf has folate. Folate is very important in cell formation. It has antioxidant properties, which also helps in blood distribution. It has vitamin K for blood clotting and metabolism. It has iron, which is also good in oxygen transportation in the life and body of the livestock animals. It has magnesium, which helps in bone formation and nerve, and they also have potassium, which also helps in muscle contraction, and at the same time zinc, which helps in the immune booster or in boosting the immune system of your poultry livestock animals. It's an antioxidant plant. It is an anti-inflammatory plant. It also helps in enzyme digestion, and which is the breaking down of food particles in the lives of your poultry birds. It is very, very good. It is something you cannot do without in as much as livestock is concerned. Please, how do we use it? Get a full leaf of this. Get this. 5 of this is enough to serve 100 birds per meal. And you do this for complete 5 to 7 days. Make sure you wash it properly well to avoid any contamination from dust or anything from wind. Make sure it is properly washed, and you make use of both the stem here and the leaf. How do you do it? Squeeze them after washing them properly well, 5 of it. Put them inside your blender and blend them properly well. and rest them. You can see this now. This is when it has been properly washed, when it has been properly blended. You can see what the extract looks like, and you can see the chaff here. Right now, it helps in controlling coccidiosis. It helps in deworming both the endo and ectoparasites living in the life of your poultry beds, which prevent them from eating or even converting the feed they eat. So this particular plant, Carica papaya leaf, helps in deworming your poultry beds. And because of the numerous vitamins which I have earlier mentioned and their functions here, it also helps to boost the immune system and at the same time boost their growth and weight of your poultry beds. It also helps in poultry breeders. It helps in their reproductive system. Also help laying birds to increase the size of their egg. So it can be served right from day old till any age of your poultry or livestock animal. This is not meant for only feathered birds alone. It's also meant for four-legged animals like goats, sheep, cow, pig, guinea fowl, geese. It's also meant for rabbits and any other plant also. Carica papaya leaf is also good for fish farming. It also helps in doing what? Reducing the alkaline properties of the fish pond. It also helps to culture the fish pond to look naturally in order to do what? Produce good and quality fish. Apart from deworming your poultry or livestock animals, papaya leaf is also good in treatment of E. coli, salmonella, coccidiosis, and every bacterial infections. When you talk of coccidiosis, you're talking of red droppings and yellowish droppings. When you're talking of worm infestation in poultry beds, you're talking about what? Dropping poo of black color. Whenever you notice something like this, it means your poultry beds is highly infected with worms. You need to deworm them. Papaya leaf is a natural plant that will help you to do that effectively. There are many vitamins, there are many minerals. We cannot stay here to complete the requirement and their formation and their functions in the life of the poultry birds. In as much as we don't want this video to go too long, let me stop here. If you have any question concerning this particular topic right now, drop it on the comment section. Other farmers like you need this particular information. The only way you can make it reach them is to share it to other links, other platforms you belong. Let this get to other farmers so that they will benefit from what you have already benefited right now. It is very important to carry one another along. This is the Poultry Side TV, and I remain your humble servant, Dr. Leonard Charles Umogu. If you have any other question, any other comments, and you want to get this book, this particular book on organic farming, please, you will see the WhatsApp line here. Talk to our admin. You will get the book. Thank you. Now let's go into how to process this particular extract to give you what you need. Now let's go into it. This is the pawpaw leaf extract. It has been blended. I earlier told you you can pound it if you don't have blender. You can pound it with local mortar. After pounding it, this is what you see. You can see it. Are you seeing it now? Make sure you wash your hand properly well, and make sure you wash the leaf before you pound it. 5 big leaves is enough for 100 birds. You can see it now. You now make sure you filter it completely. Are you seeing it? This is almost chaff now. See it? This same chaff can as well be used to feed duck. You can see it now. You throw this away. Either you throw it away or you use it and feed duck. Duck eat this very well. Here you can see the chaff. This is the waste. It has been filtered, completely filtered. This is the waste from the papaya leaf. Please make sure you add the stem and the leaf for you to have a very good effective result. Now this is the extract. You can see the extract here. You can see how greenish it is. Now, will they drink this thing, and what will it give it? What will it give to them? What medicinal value has this over the poultry and livestock animals? Let's go and see whether they will drink it actually or not. Let's go there. You can see the fruit here. You can see the papaya tree here. You can see it. You can see it. See the papaya tree. This is where we get the leaf and other ones. Right here, this is the extract. They are taking it now. This will keep them healthy and their immune system will be boosted. They don't need any other booster or any other vaccination. Share this video. Drop your comments on the comment section. Ask question where you think is necessary, and you can still get the book from us. Bye.